Hello my loves, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new then hi, I'm Zina and today I'll show you how to make this elegant looking curly updo. Also I'll show you how to properly unravel a donut bun. I'm using this trick so often and this is actually very useful. So we'll begin by making our parting, and then you want to select equal sections from both sides of our parting like I'm showing, and then you want to grab our crown section and tease it a little bit to make this airy looking crown. Then we want to smooth it out using a comb, and also I like to accentuate my curls. Lift a little bit our created crown pulls and crisscross our bobby pin to fix them in place. Now I want to grab our side section from our crown as well and twist it lightly and pin it in place, and repeat on the other side as well. Now I want to grab a small section from a little lower than our created pulls like I'm showing, and we want to tie it using an elastic. And here I'll show you how to unravel a donut bun. So basically you want to find the thread that is sewing our donut bun and you want to cut it. I always don't have time, so I'll use all my hands to take it off like that, and then you want to unravel it like some tights, I'll say. As you can see, this donut bun doesn't match my hair, so I'll grab another one that is already unraveled. I'll make it like a shape of a donut but a little more airy, and it will look more natural than a usual donut bun. Now we want to grab our ponytail and bring it through our donut bun and pin in place our donut bun at the base. We want to grab our ponytail, divide it into two, twist it lightly, loosen it and pin it like I'm showing. And then you want to repeat with a section left from the ponytail. Now you want to divide underneath a section to two equal sections like I'm showing, twist it lightly, you want to loosen it and pin it at the middle. If your hair is longer like mine or even longer, you want to grab the ends and you want to twist it a little bit and then pin it in place. And repeat with a section left as well. I'll leave some curl out like here because I love this look, but this is totally optional, okay? Then we want to unravel our front section and grab a small tiny piece from near our crown like I'm showing, divide it into two, and then you want to twist each strand towards your face and wrap them around each other away from your face 2 times, and then again you want to add more hair and twist each of them towards your face as well like I'm showing, and then twist them away from your face 2 times. So basically you add hair to the strands and then you want to twist them towards your face, and only then you want to twist them 2 times around each other. Actually, it's more easy to make it than it looks. Just try it, okay? This way we'll create this texturized effect of our raw braid. Also, I'll grab the hair left from the front from the same section, and we want to loosen it a bit and pin it underneath our raw braid. Then you want to repeat these steps with opposite section, and you're basically done. Actually, it's so easy but so romantic, and in my opinion, this one is really unique but at the same time so universal hairstyle, so you can wear to a party, wedding, prom. I hope that you enjoyed this video so far, guys. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe and that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. You know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!